Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this will be the very first time that we're going to unbox and test a very powerful monitor from Asus, which is the VG28U. And honestly speaking, the very first time I'll be testing a 4K 144Hz monitor, because my current setup is just a 60Hz monitor, and I have even tried playing on a TV just to have that great experience on a big screen. And without further ado, let's try to see what is inside this box. Okay, I'll get my scissor, and guys, this is still sealed from Asus. I haven't really opened this one, and let's see. Really an expensive one. Wow! It came with a display port and an HDMI cable. I purchased a display port on Lazada just to make sure that I'll be able to maximize the speed on this computer. And guys, I'm really so amazed with this monitor. I really can express myself so much. I'm really happy for being able to test a monitor like this. And guys, here is the actual unit. It is amazing. It really looks gorgeous. But first, let us try to see what are the things that are included in the box. You have here your USB 3.1 cable, a power cord, a power brick, an HDMI 2.1 cable, a DP cable 1.4, and of course, the ports that are included in this unit is one DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI port 2.1, two HDMI port 2.0, one USB hub with two USB 3.1 port, an earphone jack, and a USB 3.0. And of course, it has a speaker as well. And now, let us try to configure or set this up on my workstation and see and feel the experience on this monitor. And guys, I already have this unit for more than a week, and I've been playing a lot, streaming videos, and testing the unit. And the experience, it was superb. Okay, the big question is it worth it? I believe some will say it is an overkill or it is not worth it, and they will just settle for a 2K or maybe even a 1080p resolution with high refresh rate. But for some, including me, it is totally worth it. And I can say that this monitor is actually rated for 5-star for me. Okay, wait. I'm rating it 5-star for the reason of having a great experience compared to my old monitors, which are just 1080p. And I don't have a 2K or another 4K monitor to compare it with for our baseline. And guys, one of the main reasons we are opting for a 4K resolution is the quality, image quality, and the details that you can actually see in the display. And for gamers, the biggest thing that they're looking for is high refresh rate monitor, which this monitor is already capable of 144Hz 1 millisecond gray-to-gray or GTG, which is the best response time. And in addition, this monitor have an adaptive sync for NVIDIA and AMD, and even an eLMB sync, which is proprietary for Asus. And what it actually does is work with adaptive sync to eliminate ghosting and tearing, and there are many benefits for that one. And there are a lot of features as well, like the HDR, shadow boost, and everything. I'm not really sure if you can actually see the details or the difference watching on my YouTube content. But here are some of the examples or comparison from my 1080p monitor to a 4K monitor. And some arguments that you won't really notice the resolution difference unless you're sitting closely from the monitor. That might be true. But how far are we really away from the monitor? Usually 2 to 3 feet away. On those distance, I may not notice the pixels, but honestly, you can actually differentiate a good image quality from a 1080p monitor to a 4K monitor. And now, the biggest issue with a 4K 144Hz monitor is the cost. I'm not just thinking or talking about the monitor itself, but to fully utilize the 4K 144Hz, you need a powerful computer to run it, like an i7, i9, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and a very powerful GPU, like the RTX 3090. But that GTX 1080 will work as well. And if you are really looking for a great gaming or viewing or watching experience from your computer, or you own a PS5 console, definitely get this monitor. It will be a superb experience, hands down. And I think that will be all, guys. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe as well. If you have comment and suggestion, comment down below or message me at JK Chavez or at Facebook. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and bye.